how to buy official Trump token on the KuCoin. So this token came under the symbol of Trump. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now to be able to buy this token, make sure to check the Lex account and go and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on CoinMarketCap. Go and find it there. Now after that, click on markets here. As you can see, so you will see the KuCoin here. As you can see, now click on the pair here, and you will be redirected to KuCoin exchange platform. But after that, before that, make sure to log into your account. Now after that, click on buy here, and here set how much you want to buy, as you can see, and now you will see the volume here, how much you will pay of USDT, and after that click on buy and you will be able to buy this token. Now if you want to select the market, now just set the percentage of that USDT you have on your account that you will be using to buy this token. Now after that click on buy and you will be able to buy this token on your account. So this is how to buy official Trump token on KuCoin. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.